Hello, and welcome to Creative Programming with Scratch. In this video, I will show you how to create a dancing cat in Scratch by following a step-by-step tutorial. In the previous video, I introduced you to the Scratch programming language and interface, and showed you how to create your very first Scratch project. If you haven't watched it yet, click on the Creative Programming with Scratch playlist and select Introduction to Scratch, your first Scratch project. Start by going to the Scratch website at scratch.mit.edu. Click Sign In. And then click Create in the top left corner. This will create a new blank project. Once you have your new project created, you should see a Tutorials button in the blue or purple bar in the top of the screen. Once you have created your new blank project, you should see a Tutorials button in the purple bar at the top of the screen. Click Tutorials. The very first one is called Getting Started. Select that tutorial. This will place a small window at the bottom of your screen, and you can click the play button to play the video. The video will play a short tutorial. Watch the entire video, and then, when it's finished, go back and click the right arrow to do the steps yourself, step by step. The video will play and watch the entire thing. When it's finished, then click the right arrow, and you can go through the steps yourself. So it's telling me to add a move block. So I'm going to make sure that motion is selected and grab a Move 10 Steps block and place it onto the scripts area. Then click the right arrow. Now it tells me to add a Say block. So I'm going to select the Looks category and select the Say Hello for 2 seconds block and attach it to the Move 10 Steps block. Then I'll click Next. Now it's telling me to add a When Green Flag Clicked event. So I'll select Events and select When Green Flag Clicked and add it to the top of the Move 10 Steps block. Now you can click the green flag to watch the cat take the 10 steps and say hello. Click the right arrow. So that's the end of the tutorial. We're going to take it a step further because I did promise you a dancing cat in Scratch. So at this point, you can go ahead and close the window. However, if you'd like to add a backdrop or add another sprite, there are more tutorials to try. Right now, we're going to go to the motion block, and we're going to grab the turn 15 degrees block and attach it below the Say block. Then we're going to grab the turn left 15 degrees block and attach it below the turn right 15 degrees block. Now if we click this, you actually won't see the cat do anything. Why is that? It's because it's happening so fast that the human eye can't actually perceive it. So what we need to do is go to the control group and grab a wait block and place it in between the two turn blocks. Now if I click the green flag, you should see the cat move back and forth. Now that's a little bit too long of a delay in between, so I'm going to change it to 0.25 seconds. You can put decimals in this wait block, and any of these white areas are editable. So I could change the amount of degrees that the cat turns, I can change the wait block time, I could change what the cat says. Right now I'm going to leave it like it is and try it out. That's much better. However, I'd like it to happen more than one time. So the easiest way to do that is to grab a repeat block, and I'm going to set this here on the scripts area. And instead of trying to put it at the end, I need this turn, wait, and turn to be inside the repeat block. So I'm going to detach these and slip them right in there. Then I'm going to attach the wait or the repeat block to the say hello for 2 seconds. Now our cat should dance back and forth 10 times. Let's try it out. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. I think I need another wait block after the turn left 15 degrees. And I'm going to pause the same amount of time after the turn left. Now it should be even motion. Awesome, that's exactly what I wanted. Don't forget to give your project a name. Click share if you'd like to share your project with the rest of the Scratch community. And always include instructions, even if it's just click the green flag. There you go. Now you have your dancing cat project in Scratch.